We are making some keto peanut butter cookies that are so good, you're gonna have to make 2 batches because you're gonna want a whole batch just for yourself. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. All right, so I like a little something sweet after dinner, so do the kids, wife, just about anybody I know. But I don't want the sugar, right? So we want the sweetness without the sugar. This is great peanut butter cookies, or keto peanut butter cookies, which are even better, with 4 ingredients. It doesn't take that long, and they taste terrific. So let's get started. First, we need a cup of salted peanut butter. Now, creamy. Now, if you don't have salted peanut butter, you just have unsalted, just salt it yourself. Put in maybe like a, I don't know, like a 1/4 teaspoon. And then we have 6 tablespoons of Swerve confectioner sugar, all right? That was our oven. You shouldn't be putting a timer on in the middle of your video when your oven's going off. So anyway, we have a 1/4 cup of blanched almond flour and 1 egg. I'm gonna scramble this up a little bit first. All right, now we're gonna just take this and we're gonna mix it up. All right, we've mixed this up. Your mixture should be thick. You can probably see it there. It's kind of thick. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some little balls. We want an ungreased cookie sheet or use some a baking pad or some parchment paper, which is great. And then we're gonna just take some and we're gonna make these little balls. All right, we've got our cookie balls on our sheet. Now we want to take a fork and make the unmistakable pattern for for peanut butter cookies. You have a fork, and then you turn it. You push your fork, you turn it 90 degrees, straight up. Sometimes it's easier to kind of push the cookie down a little bit first. And if they break apart a little bit when you do this, they're gonna bake, so just push them back together. Like this one, it didn't cooperate. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna just re-ball it. And we're gonna put it back down. And we'll try it again. Success. All right, we're gonna put these in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, depending how crispy you like your cookies. And then we're gonna let them cool and eat. So let's go put them in the oven. All right, we have our cookies and it smells so good, so peanut buttery. Now, these are gonna be hot, so if you wanna put them on a baking rack or let them cool for a little bit, if you just got another sheet. All right, we are going to let these cool for probably, I don't know, 6 to 8 minutes. So we've let them chill for about 6 to 8 minutes. They're still pretty fragile, but I can't wait for everybody to try these. Now, I usually like my cookies to chill down a little bit before I try them, but the rest of the people in this household, they like them fresh out of the oven. I'm always afraid I'm gonna burn my mouth. And there we go. This one's for me. peanut butter cookies, keto peanut butter cookies. All the sweetness without the sugar. Keep on cooking.